I'm coming in. You come in and then straight is the bathroom, which is huge. All right, hey y'all. And then the shower is huge too, y'all. And we chose the jacuzzi tub inside instead of outside. We made up ready on Monday, but you can still have an ocean view from here. All right, so you come in. So after this, you come right out the room. Then you have the bed. The ocean view is, the swim out is right under us. So I'm glad we didn't get that. Because it would have been, we would have had no ocean view.
Yeah, of course, like we got a view of the ocean. Look, you see the other cities in the mountains.
I know, right?
We was gonna get the swim out right here. We was gonna get that up under us, but it don't have an ocean view. We wanted something with a view. But you know that swim out would have been lit too though. Like right there. It's dirty. They need to get them dang on leaves out of it.
We gotta upgrade it. This is the outside area.
Balcony bed. That completes the room tour for me.